Chapter 12-4 is posting from a cash receipts journal to our accounts receivable ledger. Just to kind of recap, in chapters 10 and 11, we were transferring, basically we started with our partnership, transferring business transactions to our 5 different journals. Our general journal, cash payments journal that you see, cash receipts journal, sales journal, and purchases journal. In chapter 12, the beginning of the chapter, the first 2 sections dealt only with accounts payable, which again is what we owe other companies. 12.1 was posting from a purchases journal, which again means that we purchased merchandise on account, merchandise that we in turn sell to our customers. That was all that was done, from the purchases journal to the accounts payable ledger, the subsidiary accounts for each of the companies that you work with. 12.2 was posting from a general journal and a cash payments journal to the accounts payable ledger. I don't know why I put this. And we also prepared an accounts payable schedule, which was a list of your accounts of everything that you owe. Again, cash payments means that we paid them back. 12.3, last chapter, was posting from a sales journal to an accounts receivable. Now these two right here are only accounts receivable. These are accounts payable, these are accounts receivable, which means that people owe us, our customers owe us money. This is sales journal would be sales on account to customers, and again we're going to post that to the accounts receivable ledgers. Finally, this chapter, posting from a cash receipts journal, which means that they are paying us back to an accounts receivable ledger, the individual ledger counts, and then we're going to prepare an accounts receivable schedule as well, which again is this, a list of all of our accounts, of accounts receivable of what people owe us. First step in doing this, from a cash receipts journal, again this is 12.4, cash receipts journal to an accounts receivable ledger. We're going to put the date here. We're going to put the post reference to prove that we posted it to the ledger. This is Ashton JC's. We're finding this on line 5 of the 15th. We're going to take cash receipts journal, page 11. It comes from right here. Step 3 is we're going to take the we're going to take this amount right here and we're going to put it to the credit because they are paying us back. We received cash. We're going to credit their account so that it decreases what they owe us. So originally they owed us $22.89.60. They paid us $381.60. So now they owe us $1,908. This is an asset account. All accounts receivable are asset accounts. Therefore, it carries a normal debit balance. Step 5 is we're going to complete the post reference to the journal by taking the account number for each customer, and we're going to put it in the post reference box here. That's it. Here are the steps for doing that. When creating a schedule of accounts, again, we're going to take all of our accounts that we have. We're going to put what they owe us at the end of the month. You can see here at the end of November 30th. We're going to single rule, double rule, add up the total. And these are a list of our subsidiary accounts, and they owe us a total of $11,066.44. The work together. Here are the files for the work together. You can complete this in the, I've listed the files that you need on this day's assignment page. You may want to push pause at this time so that you can go back and forth with the work together. Here's the on your own, which again may want to push pause. You can always zoom in down here at the bottom. It's a little blurry. I had to copy and paste from the internet. And finally, here's the application problem that goes along with 12-4, cash receipts journal. What you will not see, or actually the ledger accounts that you're using for application problem 12-4 are also used. You're taking that from 12-3 ledger accounts. So again, you may want to push pause at this point too. You can always refer back to these work together on your own application problem.